Number 4, reproduction in animal. This is a chapter number 4, reproduction in animals. So, do you remember? Unscramble the following words. The words are given. You have to unscramble the following words. First word is CARINORNOVRSE. And unscrambled word is carnivorous. Unscrambled word is carnivorous. And next is HERIBOVOSRE. And unscrambled word is herbivorous. First is carnivorous, CARNIVOR and CARNIVORES, carnivorous. HERIBOVORES, herbivorous. And third is omnivorous. Third unscrambled word is omnivorous. And next is CAENVEGERS, the squangers. And you have to remember what all the carnivorous animal and herbivorous animal and omnivorous animal which have discussed in the last class. So all living things produce young ones, a young one of their own kind. The process by which a living being produce young ones of their own kind is called reproduction. So what do you mean by reproduction? As we know, we grow also by reproduction. So all living things, they produce their young ones. And so they produce their young ones. So this process is called reproduction. And reproduction can be firstly giving birth to the young ones, and second can be laying eggs. So reproduction can be the giving birth to the young ones, and next is laying eggs. So you have to remember an elephant is the largest land animal. So what do you mean by land animal? The animal which live on land are called land animals. And what is the largest land animal? Elephant. So what is the largest land animal? Elephant. And its newborn baby weight is approximately 300 kilogram. So this is a very great weight. So a newborn baby of elephant weight is 300 gram. जो elephant का जो newborn baby होता है उसका weight approximately is 300 kilogram. So this is a very big, largest land animal. So what do you mean by reproduction? All living things produce their young ones, or by which a living thing produce their young ones, and this process is called reproduction. And next I am explaining the things. What do you mean by reproduction? So you have to match the animals with their young ones. These are the animals you have to match. These are the animals you have to match. So there are different types of animals, and you have to match these animals. So these are different type of animal. So which animal is matched with the another one? So this is the matching animals. So these animal, first animal is matched with the second, and this animal is matched with the other. So these are matching animals. So they are similar animals. So they are similar animals. So if we want to produce the similar animal, so this process is called reproduction. So if you want to produce the similar animal, so this process is called reproduction. There is a two question. Do all young animals resemble their parents? As we are similar to their parents? Yes. All these are all similar to their parents. Are they of same size as their parents? As we know, our size is different from our parents. So our size is very different from our parents. So this answer is no. So they produce by reproduction. So what do you mean by reproduction? The process of producing young ones, and this process is called reproduction. And reproduction, animal reproduce by two methods. And what are two methods? Giving birth to young ones, and second is laying eggs. So what are the two methods? First is giving birth to young ones, and second is laying eggs. So they are two methods of producing animals. या तो एनिमल उसको बर्थ देगा या उसको एग प्रोड्यूस करेगा, तब न्यू यंग वंस प्रोड्यूस हो सकते हैं. So they are two methods to produce animal. First is laying eggs, and next is giving birth. So they are two methods of reproduction. So what are egg laying animals? So many animals, they produce their young ones by laying eggs. Suppose these animal produce by laying eggs. So they lay eggs, and that these eggs are kept in warm place. So these eggs are kept only on warm place. And when these parents sits on them, these birds sits on them, then these type of egg mature, and these comes out, and the young one hatches out. So in this way the young one produce. So what is the method? जब ये young ones, जो mostly animals हैं, वो laying egg से produce reproduction करते हैं. जब ये animals जो इसके ऊपर बैठते हैं, जो parent animal है इसके ऊपर बैठ रहा है, तो ये जो हमारे egg है वो burst हो जाते हैं, और उसमें से young one निकल जाता है, जो new animal निकल जाता है, जैसे इसमें दिखाया हुआ है, young ones hatches out. These young one hatches out. So this is the method to produce young ones. So this is the method to produce young ones by laying eggs. By laying eggs, the young one is produced. So there are two methods to produce young ones. First is by laying eggs, and mostly animal produce by laying eggs. And suppose for example, in the case of birds, all birds produce by laying eggs. So these are birds, they produce by laying eggs. So the mostly birds, they build a nest on the trees, and produce by laying eggs. So all birds reproduce by laying eggs. So this is the method to produce their young ones. And all birds reproduce by their young ones. So all birds reproduce by their young ones. So again, I am repeating this slide. And first is there are different type of animals. You have to match the animal where their young ones. Young one means the child of animal. The child of animal is young ones. So there are different animals. You have to match the animal with their young ones. So this is the match. The young one is attached to their parent. So this is the match. So you have to produce the young ones. The process of producing the young ones, by laying eggs or giving birth. So this process is called reproduction. The process of laying eggs or the process of producing young ones. So this process is called reproduction. So the process of producing young one is called reproduction. So there are two questions. First is, do all the young animals resemble their parents? क्या जो हम जो young animals होते हैं और उनके parents होते हैं, they are similar? Yes. They resemble their parents. वो similar होते हैं. आपने कुछ ना कुछ resemblance होती है parents की अपने बच्चों के साथ. Second is, are they of same size? Yes, they are of same. No, they are not of same size as they of parents. So our size is different from our parents. So the size of parent and child is very different. So this is the two question. You have to remember this question. So the reproduction can be made by two methods. First is giving birth. Second is laying eggs. So reproduction is done by two methods. First is giving birth to young ones and second is laying eggs. So reproduction करने के two methods हैं. या तो वो young one को उसको पैदा करते हैं या egg से reproduce करते हैं या वो उसको young one को produce करते हैं. And next is these are the animals. They reproduce their young ones by the eggs. So this is the method second, laying eggs. So these are animals, they reproduce by laying eggs. How they reproduce? These eggs are kept in the warm place. So firstly जो eggs हैं वो जो nest में हैं, they are kept in the warm place. उसको हमने warm place पे रखते हैं. And the parent the parent animal sits on them and the eggs are either kept in warm place and in this way the eggs hatches out. जब parent animal इनके ऊपर बैठता है तो जो हमारे ये eggs होते हैं ये burst हो जाते हैं और इस egg से जो है new जो हमारा animal निकल आता है तो young ones hatches out. So this is the method to produce young ones. So this is the method to produce young ones. The young one is produced by laying eggs. So the animal produced by laying eggs. So this is the method of reproduction. And mostly birds reproduce by laying eggs. जो जितने भी हमारे birds हैं वो हमारे reproduction करते हैं by eggs से. Mostly birds build nests on their trees to lay their eggs. So mostly birds they sit on the trees and then they lay eggs as shown in the figure. They lay eggs on the trees and in this way they reproduce. So all birds reproduce by laying eggs and they build nest on the trees just like shown in the figure. They build nest on the trees and they lay their eggs and in this way they this is the first method to produce young ones. So in this way we can produce their young ones. So reproduction in animals can be made by two methods. First is by producing their young ones and by laying eggs. So what do you mean by reproduction? The process of producing their young ones is called reproduction. And reproduction can be made by two methods. First is by giving birth to the young ones and next is by laying eggs. Or what do you mean by land animals? The animal which live on the land are called land animals. And what is the largest land animal? Elephant. What is the largest land animal? Elephant. So elephant is the largest animal. Its newborn baby weight is approximate 300 kilogram. जो एलिफेंट का जो बच्चा होता है उसका भी वेट, न्यू बॉर्न बेबी का वेट भी 300 किलोग्राम होता है. So you have to remember the weight 300 kilogram. So reproduction can be made by two methods, by giving birth to the young ones, and next is by laying eggs. So firstly, my first method is animals that give birth to the young ones. Some animals give birth to the young ones. For example, they give birth to the kittens, dogs, and dogs give birth to the puppies. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो डॉग हैं वो क्या प्रोड्यूस करते हैं? पपीज. जो छोटे डॉग्स के जो बच्चे होते हैं दैट आर कॉल्ड पपीज. एंड what are the child of cat? Kittens. So these are the animals that produce by that give birth to the young ones. So these are animals just like cow, lion, horse, elephant, and goat. They produce by their young ones. So these animals which give birth to the young ones directly are called mammals. जो अपने young ones directly produce करता है, these type of animals are called mammals. And what are the example of mammals? Human beings. So human being is the example of mammal. So what is the example of mammal? Human beings. And what do you mean by mammals? The animal which give birth to the young ones directly. And these animals are called mammals. And what are the characteristics of mammal? First characteristics are mammals are warm-blooded animal. So what do you mean by warm-blooded animals? Means its body temperature remain constant. Whatever climate condition is there, चाहे वो गर्मी हो चाहे सर्दी हो, their body temperature remain constant. So they are warm-blooded animals. And next is hair or fur on their bodies to keep them warm. So they have fur on their bodies, and because of their fur, their body is always their bodies remains warm. And mammals look after their young ones for a long period of time, and they feed them with their milk and protect them from enemies and climate change. So mammals, they feed with the help of their milk, just like human being. Human being के जो भी होते हैं वो कैसे प्रोड्यूस करते हैं? वो अपने बच्चे को मिल्क देते हैं, and they feed them with their milk, and वो अपने जो भी उनके बाहर एनिमीज हैं और बाहर जो ठंड है, सर्दी है, कुछ भी है, तो उन क्लाइमेट चेंजेस से उसको बचाते हैं. So animal look after their young ones over a long period of time. So what are the features of mammals? They are warm-blooded animal. They have fur on their bodies. Because of fur, their bodies kept remain warm. And they feed them with their milk. So these are characteristics of mammals. So you have to remember mammals are warm-blooded animal. So what do you mean by mammals? The animal which give birth to the young ones directly. The animal which give birth to the young ones are called mammals. So these type of animals are called mammals. And what are the features of mammals? Mammals are warm-blooded and have fur on their body. And mammals, they feed with them with their milk. So you have to remember which type of our animals are mammals. So this is the animal. They feed on their animals. So these type of animals are called mammals. So what is the second method of reproduction? By producing young ones. First method is they produce by laying eggs, as shown in the figure, in the previous figures. Animal जो है produce करते हैं या तो laying egg से या young one से. कुछ एनिमल जो है एग प्रोड्यूस नहीं करते, तो दे रिप्रोड्यूस बाय गिविंग बर्थ टू द यंग वंस. Suppose as shown in the figure, sheep and lamb, mare and colt, goat and kid, they produce their young ones and they don't not produce by laying eggs. ये कैसे प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, या इसके जो बच्चे पैदा हो रहे हैं, जो लॉयन के और मेयर के और गोल्ड के, वो एग प्रोड्यूस नहीं करते, वो यंग वन को डायरेक्टली प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. और इस टाइप को एनिमल्स को क्या बोलते हैं, मैमल्स. सो दे फीड ऑन द मदर मिल्क. जैसे दिखाया है कि वो अपनी मदर से मिल्क ले रहे हैं. So these types of animals are called mammals. So mammals are examples of such animals. They feed on their mother milk. वो अपने mother का milk लेते हैं. Young one feeds on mother milk. So these type of animal are called mammals. Or these are the example of mammals. Fish, crocodile, rat, monkey, chimpanzees, human being. See, these are all examples of mammals. So these are all examples of mammals. Suppose human being. How human being is produced? Firstly, fetus in the womb. Firstly, जो women's में क्या होता है, फोइटस प्रोड्यूस करता है. पहले वो बेबी जो बनता है मदर के स्टमक में, जो फोइटस प्रोड्यूस होता है. फिर उसके बाद बेबी बनता है. फिर देन प्रोड्यूस होते हैं ये 1 to 3 years का बेबी, फिर 3 to 5 years का बेबी, फिर 12 years का, एंड देन अडल्ट, एडोलेसेंस, देन अडल्ट, देन ओल्ड पर्सन. So this is the reproduction of human being. How human being is produced and how this life goes on. So the human being also dog, cat, lion, elephant, deer, cow, buffaloes. So these are all mammals because they produce their young ones. So these are the example of mammal. So these are the example of also mammal, and these are also example of mammal. And next is this is also mammal. And this is also mammal because they produce their young ones by giving birth directly. They do not their legs. वो अपने eggs produce नहीं करते. They produce directly. So zebra, this is also mammal. So these are all monkey. These are also mammal. So this is called mammal. Why these are called mammal? Because they produce young ones. So how whales and dolphins? Whales and dolphins, they are also mammals. And where they found? They found in water. So whales and dolphins, they are mammals. So they are mammals, and where they are found? They are found in water. So, and what are the characteristics of these animals, whales and dolphins? They found in water, and but they don't have hair on the bodies. इनकी बॉडी पे कोई भी हेयर्स नहीं होते. वो कैसे रिप्रोड्यूस करते हैं? by producing young ones. So these are the animals. These are all mammals. These mostly mammals live on land and breathe through lungs. जितने भी mammals होते हैं, mostly mammals, वो land पे रहते हैं और वो lungs से जो है सांस लेते हैं. इनके जो डॉल्फिन और वेल्स जो दिखाई हुई हैं, वो कैसे सांस लेती हैं? इनके यहाँ पे ब्लो होल्स होते हैं. ये जो ब्लो होल्स होते हैं, ये दिखाया हुआ ब्लो होल. विद द हेल्प ऑफ ब्लो होल दे कैन ब्रीथ. इनके वेल्स और डॉल्फिन पे यहाँ पे ब्लो होल्स होते हैं. दीज आर द ब्लो होल. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज ब्लो होल they can breathe in the water. So this is the picture how the young one is produced and what are mammals. So this is the picture. कुछ animal जो हैं, they do not young ones. So some animals, they do not lay their eggs. They produce by giving birth to the young ones. So this is the method of reproduction. And these type of animals are called mammals. And they feed on their mother milk. So they feed on their mother milk, and these type of animals are called mammals. So these are all examples of mammal. First, just like fish, frog, crocodile, rat, chimpanzees, human being. So these are all mammals. These are all mammals. And how human being reproduce? Firstly fetus, and then baby, and then the old person is going on. So this is the picture of how human being grows and how the life of human being goes. So these are all example of mammals. So they produce their young ones, just like elephant, they produce their young ones by the giving birth directly. So these are all example of mammals. So these are also mammal, and this picture shown in the figure, these are also mammal, and this is dinosaur. This is also mammal. Zebra. This is also mammal, and this is also mammal. Monkey, and this is also animal. And dolphin. Dolphin and whales are also mammals. And where they found? They found in water. And how do they breathe? They breathe with the help of blowholes. So they breathe with the help of their blowholes. So this is the method to produce their young ones. So these are all mammals, cow, dog, and these are also mammals. So they produce by giving birth. And how do dolphin and whales breathe? They breathe with the help of blowholes. इसके ऊपर जो blowhole बना होता है, with the help of blowholes, they can breathe into the water. So this is the two method to produce their young ones. So this is the method to produce their young ones, and this is the reproduction. So what do you mean by reproduction? The process of producing their young ones. The young ones are called reproduction. And what are the two methods of reproduction? First is by laying eggs and by giving birth to the young ones. या तो वो egg produce करके young one को produce करे, या वो directly उसको produce करे. और जो एनिमल जो डायरेक्टली यंग वंस को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, सो दीज टाइप ऑफ एनिमल्स आर कोल्ड मैमल्स. सो दीज टाइप ऑफ एनिमल्स आर कोल्ड मैमल्स. सो एंड व्हाट आर द फीचर्स ऑफ मैमल्स? मैमल्स क्या होते हैं? दे आर वार्म ब्लडेड एनिमल, and they have hair on them, on the bodies, and they have hair or fur on their bodies, and they feed them with their milk, and they feed with their milk, and these are the features of mammals. So this is the first method to produce young one. And next is, what is the next method? Animals that lay eggs. And some animals that lay eggs, and with the help of their eggs, they can produce. Just like birds, fishes, they produce by laying eggs. So they produce by laying eggs. So this is the method of reproduction. So in this way, they can reproduce. So this is the method to produce their young ones. So again, I'm repeating. What do you mean by reproduction? The process of producing the young ones are called reproduction. And reproduction can be made by two methods. Firstly is giving birth to the young ones, and next is by laying eggs. So there are two methods of reproduction, by giving birth to the young ones, and next is by laying eggs. So this is called reproduction. And what do you mean by land animal? The animal which live on land are called land animal. And what are the example of land animal? Elephant. So, and what is its newborn baby weight? 300 kilogram. So elephant is the largest land animal and its newborn baby weight is 300 kilogram. So it is a very largest land animal. So you have to remember the name of largest animal, land animal, and what's its name? Elephant. And its newborn baby weight is 300 gram. And what do you mean by reproduction? The method of producing their young ones. And the method of producing their young ones is called reproduction. And reproduction method is of two types. First is they produce their young ones by giving birth to the young ones and by laying eggs. So animal reproduce by laying eggs or giving birth to the young ones. So what are the animals? They give birth to the young ones. So these type of animals are called mammals. The animals that give birth to the young ones directly. So these type of animals are called mammals. And what is a child of dog? And what puppies? And what is the child of cat and kittens? So these are the childs and they produce by their young ones directly. So these type of animals are called mammals. So these type of animals are called mammals. So what do you mean? What are the features of mammals? They are warm-blooded animal and their temperature remain constant. Whatever the climate condition is there, but their body temperature remains constant. And we will discuss warm-blooded animal and cold-blooded animal in the next lecture. So we have to remember the features of mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded animal and they have hair or fur on their bodies. And because of their fur, their bodies keep warm. And they feed them with their milk. They feed them with their milk and they protect them from their enemies and climate change. So they protect them from their enemies and the climate change. So these are the characteristics of features of mammals. So you have to remember the examples of mammal. And what are the example of mammal? Cow, lion, horses, elephant, goats. So these are all examples of mammal. And you have to remember the features of mammals. So you have to remember features of animal. What do you mean by reproduction? And what are the methods of reproduction? And what do you mean by mammals? What is the weight of its newborn baby? And so